Are you ready to become a certified career counselor? Do you have a passion for guiding others towards the right career path? Now's your chance to turn that passion into a profession. Backed by years of expertise in the field, Elysian offers an exclusive in-person training program designed to coach aspiring career counselors like you. This hands-on program is conducted at our Elysian office located at Express Avenue Mall in Royapeta, Chennai. It's perfect for educators, HR professionals, or anyone looking to break into career counselling. You learn key skills including career counselling fundamentals, psychometric assessments, industry trends and career mapping, personalized career building strategies, and how to run effective counselling sessions. And best of all, this is a one-on-one personalized session. Start your journey towards a fulfilling career in career counselling today. If you are interested, contact us via phone or email. Transform lives, including your own, with this one-of-a-kind opportunity. Elysian Career Counselling Center, guiding careers, shaping futures.